Adorned in black mourning attire in anticipation of sending off former President Edgar Lungu, the loved ones of Lungu filled the benches of the Gauteng High Court in Pretoria as a hurdle swung its way. The Zambian government filed an application in the court for an interim interdict, charging that a burial could not go ahead until all disputes regarding former President Lungu's final resting place are resolved. Arguments, however, did not proceed, as counsel had a different approach in mind, which was explained to the bench by advocate Casper Welgemoed.
Instructions that I got should take care of the matter. Obviously, I just need to speak to my learned senior friend here if we can agree on some sort of a draft order. But we will. My instructions is to give certain undertakings that will take care of the issues as it stands today. The family for the family of the deceased, for the late president, doesn't want a piecemeal funeral situation. It's not really what he deserves. But saying that, we will give certain undertakings to the applicant that will take care of this application, and then we just need to talk and hash out time frames maybe for the main application that they will then have to serve. In that situation, we stand down and I speak to my learned senior friend for a few minutes. As the court pleases.
The negotiations proved to be fruitful as the court was able to make the draft order by agreement between parties, an order of the court.
By agreement between the parties, an order is made in the following terms. The first to seventh respondents undertake not to proceed with the funeral and or burial of the late president pending the finalization of the application in prayer 5.
This means that the remains of Lungu may not be buried until the final determination of this matter, which is set to be heard on the 4th of August 2025.
This court appreciates the grief and pain of the family and relatives and the Zambian nation caused or as a result of the retired President Lungu of Zambia, who passed on the 5th of June 2025. The deceased, especially as our culture as Africans, should be laid to his final resting place in a respectable manner.
Canny, Maphanga, SABC News, Pretoria.